Welcome. Today, we're diving into the pivotal role of goal setting and planning in multilingual communication skills coaching. Embarking on the journey to master multiple languages and enhance communication can be daunting. However, with clear goals and a structured plan, this journey becomes not only manageable but also rewarding. We begin by setting SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. For instance, instead of a vague aim like improve vocabulary, opt for learn 20 new business related terms in Spanish within 2 weeks. This precision provides a clear target and a timeline for achievement. Once goals are defined, crafting a detailed action plan is essential. This plan should outline daily or weekly tasks, such as dedicating 30 minutes each morning to language practice or attending a weekly cultural immersion workshop. Regular self assessment is crucial. Keeping a journal to track progress, noting challenges faced, and celebrating milestones can provide motivation and highlight areas needing adjustment. Flexibility within your plan allows for adjustments based on your evolving needs and progress. Perhaps you discover that evening study sessions are more effective than mornings, or that incorporating multimedia resources enhances your learning experience. Remember, language learning is not just an academic exercise, but a social one. Engaging with native speakers, participating in language exchange groups, and immersing yourself in the culture are invaluable components of your action plan. By setting clear goals and meticulously planning your approach, you lay a solid foundation for success in multilingual communication. Embrace the process, stay committed, and watch your skills flourish.